11:38. I just got home. My doggy is excited to see me. I got this, I'm gonna try it. Welcome in my sink. I'm not working today. I really don't remember the last time I didn't go to work on a Friday. Today can be more of a schoolwork, like catching up.
This ain't forever, so hold me closer, 'cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. They counted off all four. I wanted, I needed, they cast me in and out your door. I see myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. I just love to love you, only for the summer. Wait, was it always pretty in my dreams? Was it? I wanna taste your like sugar in my tea, but it's bittersweet, 'cause I know it's only for the Please don't call to tell me that you miss me. Too soon to hear the words, right place, wrong time. Counting every second that you kiss me. Couldn't see the signs, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. And counted off all four. I want it, I got it, wish I could flaunt it like Dior. And feel myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. I just love to love you, only for the sun.
Cause he took a one-way to LAX while she stuck at Harvard with 1 year left. And they couldn't comprehend all the struggles and the troubles they would face 3,000 miles apart. It doesn't seem like much, but how's the heart when all it craves is butterflies they felt when they're together in person? But now teardrops falls on FaceTime calls and envy bleeds on Insta screens. See, they're both way too stubborn to let it all go. And if they sit in silence, then how can they know if this is
Space Shuttle Discovery to complete NASA's constellation of tracking stations in the sky.